Play pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasngi. Ka instrument of agreement IOA kadi ka atiar ka baklan bha ban pinyasno e ka jing sinshar suim ki hima ban jan bar ka sarkar India handoi ka te ka duler ka blasoi kam shimla pentri kam bar ka sarkar Meghalaya ka le matla. Na kaseng Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito hak singi balang kala IT ka jing thok memorandum shu Chief Secretary ka sarkar Meghalaya Dr. Shakil Ahmed ban but dia ni ka jing penyat bar jing pentri kam ya ka instrument of agreement IOA. Kablaya soy berki khasi state hak snem sia jak na ispa so popra. Ka jing yalang kala yalam da president ka seng ba don bok lang dekhar ubala ong hadin ka jing ya kendu ba ka seng ka wat jing ya thu khobor halor ka jinglong jingman jong ki jing ya tho na ga Ministry of Home Affairs MHA khamtam ya ka shithi kabla pha ka arpnyo trik naiwing ar hajar khat saw. Ula ong ba Chief Secretary ula pentip ba kani ka kam kansha bishar ba jingya jingyo sngoba namar ba ka don bun benta jong kadwiti sinshar pat ba kahito kalapan pauru ya ka jing sngokhya halor ka jing penslam ban pendep ya ka jing ya kular bala pediang da ka sarkar India ha ga snem shajak na ispa sop hu pra ba ka ong ba kandang beteng ban but dien ni kani ka kam lingba kilinti sarkar.
Territorial Organization. Today we met the Chief Secretary of Government of Meghalaya to follow up the regards with a letter sent by the Ministry of Home Affairs on 27 August 2014. So in reply to this report, the CS said that they will review on this matter. Then they will study this matter because there is a multiple agenda. After examine, then he will give us the report regarding with the implement of the agreement within the Khasi state. Yeah. This instrument of accession is signed by the 25 Khasi state or the kings. In those days, when the Governor General Raja Gopalachari accepted in 17 August 1948. So in fact, it is very sad to see that most our political leaders, some they are not aware of the instrument of accession, and some they are aware, and those who are aware also they didn't take it too deep to understand what is this IOA. But after inquiring, after the many study and research, we found that the IOA is the documents of our land. As long as our nation survives, if they do play political also, as long as they honor the instrument of accession, we have no problem with it. With the modify ILP, we from the organization, in fact myself, in those time I was with a few organization. We already sit with a committee led by the then Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma, the President of Preston. Modify ILP already been done in 2013. So I don't think that they can fool the people once again in this 2026 by telling them that we need to modify that some code. In fact, they already modified this ILP, the so-called MRSS here, which is very toothless. Like the demand of ILP, it is before you enter in our state, but MRSA it apply when you enter to the state. It will not be safeguard because there first we have to think properly, and this is not only the safeguard we have to fight from the non-tribal, but we have to safeguard from the tribal itself. Because if we talk clearly, relate with this ST, if you check the list of the ST tribe in our state, there is the indigenous is only Khasi, Jantia and Gar. But when you check the list, that is not the fact. There are many tribes under the ST of Meghalaya, which is very dangerous for us and for our next generation. Our sectionists, neither we are separatists, we are the pressure group. A pressure group with knowledge, a pressure group who study, who research, who are dignity to their work. So there is no such kind of threat from the government, because all those documents which we attain, it's all legal, it's not illegal. In fact, the Ministry of Home Affairs itself only seek the report from the Ministry of, or from the Chief Secretary to give the report on the subject to implement this agreement within the Khasi state. Well, I will see, IOA is not a subject that we will speak in bazaar, in market. But IOA is that I is a document which we honor, which we have to discuss and talk with the person who understand the unique history of the castle. It's not like you will just start in bluffing relate with the IOA, because this is our unique history. We cannot just brief in on the way, on the road, on the market, or in the station. The Eastern Bengal Frontier Act, you can dig deep, you can check to the constitution, to the section also. It's already clearly mentioned within the constitution to the section. Nomor ki ong ba kantat kamar no ta. Toto sa ko way ngide ban kan mau ba ha lingba UCM Sati Raja UCM Himamlip. You so you can some manufacturing kata habaya day bat ka currency, defense, but communication komut karel kalenti kasengking kaplin. Teka currency bila tepi kapisa isipai pat ka habaya day bat kita ka defense. Te ngan phai kan dia bob yang ba beli siu kai. Sapo karo hes bala ban ko del mentai namar baki kim ya soy kata ka instrument accession. Teka jing wan so jing ki perlok garo kadai ha mes pat ni abangi so bat India kadai ka lingba ngan kran di tangay ka Milliams haka December mes pat so pinyo bat la pediang ba la son yang muhot haka pinyo torit awas mes pat so putra tenang tu ter kabangi dang up ya kata ka jing pendrung ka IOA te kalawan no kan ka mini constitution dan kata ka 6 dot ka ba ni thok ya kata ka 6 dot constitution jing India te ngan thai pat ba menta ba balai hapo kasi jantia jing impat la ban menteri kam mai kerel balai bikin phala ban pos namar ngidang don ye kan ka instrument of accession ba ka ministry of home affairs kotip sorry karjela kotip bat kini ki bureaucrat kotip bat ndai ban ong ki political leaders pat ye ki katto kan don ki batip pat don ru ki bamtip ba ki bam shai ru ye kan ka instrument of accession kadai kata hi kaman namar kan ka ministry of home affairs kelap depan ye kata report tinggal ai kendo yo CS bat ye ki perlok jogu ke dan lang hajuk department tinggal ai ka commitment ba kin sa jubab ba ka e ba kila la jubab kat industry ka pala pan report na ta ministry of home affairs bangan kran beda basai menta ba nginda subuk dengan ini kendo yo union home minister mo ka minister ka jungwan undong be ye ka ju habang ni la pan ka report ka e kata ka jela cermai kale katakan ka jubab ka begini yo tanging song kam don kam chu ban ni kendo namar ngila tho makir kila jubab in respond kala jubab na do ka National Commission for Human Rights kala jubab memba ka National Commission for Civil Rights kala jubab ka Ministry of Home Affairs te ladang idang lek ketik kan long kumba ula krenteng ba haba piladan ni kato balai pirang pa te kom ai ba ke mentai hi ke benta napa ka central government kala dep ka kamran kani ka kamat ini ka ka state government ngin pet ba ka state government jungi ka ploy ne dan dia kan keren na em ya kan ka anjulir jongka anjulir kandau jongka dikasih itu dia mengila yai apla ka to ko ngila tignya ngila ngam banya kani kadai ka jing sedang na kani ngin her laman kisnong kita ngin tiet ka jing kan ngin tiet ya kata no ngin pendeng sakureo ke kameo be bakin yo snow ba kai kata ko ai kata ko dulir kandau jong kari kasih babun mentahi baya kan ka ai la de ban pendrung kumba atangan supai kan dia kumentahi ong ba ni senat ba ling ba jong menteri rang ba menakni bang ong ba in pendrung ya kinten garo ba kinten kasih tendreng la sudai ban pendrung ya kan ka instrument ka sha ka baya dei ya ka dulir haduh mentahi kena la hikai be ba ka khatsan tarik ka de ka independent tendreng kumno ngila yaso kumno ngirung kumno la penbuat oh ngamlen bahaga hatu kopor wala ki thang fuloi ru ndrei ka jingrung kala rung namar ha jingsa pendung jubot pat ya gani ka jingsa pendung jubor ru kala su sakut klem da pentrikam bat ngidei ban shai hiru ba ngidei ban ne ban skam ka nong rem bat ngin lech ki pat ba bat ladai ngila dai ban pois ta ka thong in sapoi ru ha ka tau pot ba idei bang inum shim sanat ru ba kiwe ru ki dei ban tep ba wai ngila shim sanat kamut ngila dei ki ba sakte ha ka ante mara tadon kata ka jinjar jerut cepat nomor bang iya ki kot sta gi robiak te siteng ki kot lengi li yo ban sai na po sekretariat Ngami ba ka kandon ka jing lor kita ki bilir kini kita. Kabak liar mentangin abdi tangai ya kata ka report ka jumpa ko jengki nang tu pat min sa her pada ban ya tu ka ega hok ka jengki ka ba la sa kadat. Tang iba lingba jong menteri rang ba. Angkat batu singguk menteri. Dikwa ya kata ka modify habaya dari ka ini ki foreign act ni kita. Tengah suka benong sekeri ke judgment itu, hajar kan lain laman, ngalah don benta benyo ki bat kan ka penjadawai kata ke na lain permit. Ki ong ba kidang kwa shoy kata ka modify LP, nga suka ben internal ke sarkar. Aku por jong doktor mukul sang ma. Hajar kan lain fila bet modify kata ka ILP. Sekat no sin pilih di pada. Sekat no sin ku ben modify. Fila ke MRSCC ka de ka clear buat modify ke ILP ke baki pun atau ke por ong ba ka kan buat. Ndrei ka ai ka jing dawa ka jong ka chat ben rio nyo tra bar khoi hatu ko pot ki ong ba ki kwa ek ILP namar ba hatu ko pot ki tiang ni kata ka CEB ka ba menta ka kolong CEB te ngin kren beto ko basai lada ka sarkar hi kamla banwan ra ILP empat numpan thame yu pa ba 4000 khalai ulai pat ke MRSCC kam tri kamera But ladingi kampai sadian syu hakat ko pot lingba wakila khod ye ki asi student union tentia student union bandaro student union haka jing lam khamat jong ba polling to atu ko por ki ye kren ye kata ke interstate migrant worksman act tenre le de pipe ye ka turu kila bypass ko huri hura kila penyap lu kita ki ani ke ba lagi ke jing sakhi ke jing wan jong ki mender wan chane wan buhais no wan trei kemne kintai namar ba ya ka to ka ani kila penyap te kumnong inang sane ka sarkar ka ban modify ki ai henrei jing sisa bakin penjanai ki ai ki bala dan ki balong existing lada pi te kham jangai kham sadien ke ai ka balek ba deng sala bam kwai hatu war blek upas ka resolution lam penjai kami ka ILP but niru ngidang keren ka ju hi bang ngide ban extension shu ya kan ka Eastern Bengal Frontier Act nang ba ban tek la ka henrei ke ai ka nei ka ba ka kwa ka ne ka sarkar ka dei tang ka jing penthame but ka jing kwa ye ki ban wan ra kilong aggressive ban wan ra ikara ngang kren ka basai ka jing kwa rel kam dei ra ban yo ka roi ka par dei tang ismen for business kila ihi ke men kene kidang peti ba kata ka rel ka kitu yong na ko stage po garo hills te hangni ru kaju kimot ban apply da ka bawan ra rinti rel haduk te dia haduk juai kini kentai kenla ban kit itu marpo kendo tang ban yo ban yele business na maraba halenti singking la bon ki ba ya khop gibon ki kan hon gibon ki nong sarkar ki ba kuwet semesta te ka sarkar pat namar badon ki katto kan nei ki ba kwa ban ya kamai shimet ta kada kishim ba ko ka resolution bat kata ka mafia ka bakiyadan lang bakin yo minto ngangai i nakaliang ka jingi kadai kata ndre kamdan era ka banong bante la kam hi ngala wan sarbi tangshan ru sa po Mizoram hakalor ka jingwan kini kita ki minder kamte la kam shu kata ka ILP kumbalong munswa dingile sa po Mizoram kita check kita monitor kita pit ba ndre ya ba menta shurung shumi kulmar sa ki tu pinong pait tu pila bang batay kenge pa hindi pa ni hakbo munswa do ya la ti ki interstate migrant worksman kaba kren syai kaba unu uta bomdei ubadei ubar jela habi pipoi sapok jela mekla uhab banyo ya kata ka kumka kenja ka PRC ne ka jing itu na po DC office kabla soy do DC ane do EDC ban pen itu bo ni ubre undan kes ni ubre de bo ko bobia ula ban wan na po ndai na po ka na DC office ka jela ko jing ndai na po DC office ka jela ko jing kata department jadi kamde ko pasok wat dangi ru menta pasubut dingi don kies bari ru nila ako kita police verification kan pergi baik ba nila long te nila don kata ka black lima kon ni tai ikinum sya te ke lada hak tu ka kajuri pendan pidang ka santar ka jerla kadang pendeking ya kata ko worksman akan kajing wan rung dimender sine kanduna pat ka kajing te lakam ru kan kanum sinjur Andre kanlong ka save ya ki ya ka jala ko jungi bat ka jing yo kam ki khana jungi hagan ka labor ko fair timbo